Rosé All Day is a rose gold peel-off mask. It has a complex of honey, royal jelly, and propolis extract, which is great for hydration and regenerating your skin cells. It also contains real 24 karat gold flakes, which is very soothing and calming for the skin. This peel-off mask is pore refining, luminizing, and it will smooth your skin. It smells like bergamot and citrus. Open the sachet and squeeze it out onto your hand and apply to your face using your fingertips. Make sure you avoid hairline, eyes, and mouth area. Wait 15 to 20 minutes for it to dry, and then you can smile to loosen the mask and gently peel off from the corners. It may feel a little tight and it can pull a bit when you take it off, but it gives you an instant lifting effect and gives hydration to the skin. This mask opens up your pores to get rid of the dirt and then closes them again.